abusi amobi akwaba e de baba Grace TV so gise twedi ampo nyanko pato obi aho ye na yesa hia bi na nko ba ko asese e tadi e wo ya fidie so pa ye Sampa ensensem sese ya de akodu ni se na najafa e ko file contempt ni tia samobi se onye hene amamere ni amade ni e na mbemu e na so opord ni wo so hene e ma ni bi ye ko so yesu se ha dwi e tia Ghana mra ni sa bia Ghana mra court twem na onfa yie tu ye ni na na ebeto odwa se na wo sesa no bia ba Kumasi High Court na wa twa kata da bia court fra se no wa twa kata da abre court se osra se wo ba Kumasi a onye safe o Kumasi a enti osra court se ebe ya court ni asem fi Kumasi a emfa nko ba bi foforo che se Kumasi ne ahafo Ashanti region ne ahafo region ko ni free a emfa nko ba bi foforo outside Ashanti or ahafo region because onye safe na nyame adom ye nya Sampa de grant ye wa ha ya nsem ekoso na wate ye ni bedin ko kakra ye tie de waka mini aboko de
ya wadaruma
ye do ba de nyanko pass e bia na obi ni mo dan wa di cha hwefo ye
wadaruma ye Sampa de she na to let someone fly e no fa impon
okay
and so bi jam na shana meti na wadaruma
okay Sampa sensem says ye de be say me mo court e Kumasi High Court then ye de to one say somebody atwe klata e di aba be dan court say oye safe e wo Kumasi a ti asem mo nyin free ye say either Ashanti region na say half region and fan ko baby e outside these two regions how there obey okay menim say what to be ukopie court wo dia na
wadaruma I'm saying na copy one man say it's important but before I course I'm just over the couple of weeks days ago
okay
and the name of BCC is important we draw the government attention name BCC here
okay
for the government to know. MJ before I'm a course require and kind of Professor Hoy, Kwasi Hoy.
Professor
About local governance system, decentralization, a very a legend, very very vulnerable. Will be an Nianti or Nyansha.
Okay.
But they are about to just say Asanteman at meeting home and ye. So what is Shankomona? What a couple of days ago, there was an attack. Confusion and a confusion on the baby in Nana.
Okay.
He was brutally murdered.
Oh.
Brutally murdered. And now the manner and the way he was murdered, no, that time.
Oh.
And the moment yes, I know a branch of your friend Brown Mosi. Or say or the Brown Regional Zongo Caucus. Formerly no NDC community I constituency chairman or Sampa. German.
Okay, constituency.
He was a constituency chairman for German.
Okay.
He said not buying anything. Akunyaso. NDC abai. And they are very right. So make me kukumobia or mokumobia. That is what happened. And so it's a clear call. And then we want to draw the attention of Muntaka, who happened to be the Minister of Interior, the IGP, the Inspector General of Police, Yohono, and National Security. That this is the brutal manner that the boy was killed. This is the manner. And we are drawing the attention. And I'm drawing the caveat say the Professor Kwasi Ahoy here between they cannot force us. And when they force us, we are going to act. Yaba court. What be Sami Wadaruma? Yaba court. Yaba court, you know. Sebi Sampa himself be ranim. Am I Abu Asem no? And I said Sampa area there. Then dia Abu Asem no. Obuwa say to let someone fly and then Sampa mahin. Ghana am ready to mo gazetino. Say Ghana am ready to mo about to sunu so magazetino. Magazetino. Na branch bi sunu na mo nom nam tenten no so na Sampa mahin. Then dey na sebi na ba no hye na chi. Na ba ni di agro ya kaka ya di sha nkomo no wanu ma. Sebi Muntaka ni sebi era mampanyin ko no omni sha branch ni di agro. Of course, we need di agro any problem. So ni di agro so ni di agro. Brana ya juma. Ni Samra no. Nti ye de dane court nja branch bi a se bi ye kan asem no na ne nti a se bi onim se onye Sampa man hin se tama to let someone the flag gazette no sa Sammorduah na National House of Chief o me kan ho Sampa they came to invoke the jurisdiction of the court say omu to let someone the flag they didn't free the National House of Registry mu say onye Sampa of course Sammorduah na be sa o tu sa na mutu no court nzi dey bi ampa enye no kwe amane ne amamre mu
o court ni emwa film National House of Chief you free National House of Chief is automatically in the gazette na free so
okay enti sebi so ubedane o dey assemble dan court we him court ni him okonachi ekobisa ya ampa dey na kire the source of law article 11 customarily ampa to let someone that na mutu a watu esefata so yo hina watu ana o chepe face ampa ana mutu ese otu e ma na Sampa man hin watu sana mutu nyina era na Sampa man ne dia wadama na era di na siso se sana che dia to let Sampa Jafla, the Sampa or my Sampa mine. So, Baba join Sampa, say a master to let Sampa Jafla Gazette never had there can't see an impi. Sampa, there are somewhat Udiabani above. Tiabogu, one Tiasha, another man, and I said, oh, come on, it's not about legend. For now, we speak on authority. We speak on authority, and we are convinced that Sebi on the SSS argument in China. Or this and Sebi, Nema and Fatano. And be he why he's a judge of the appeal court, and who should know better, and who should ensure that the fundamental or the rule of law of this country is at work or no episode born in Brazil. It's a ban Sebi, Dormaahene Netino. We have no option than to come to the court. Sampa Branton and Amutuno to Samfata. Court Emma Nintias on Sampa mine. And I citing for contempt. And I also citing for contempt. I saw 7 in person. Sanam running chair. You try 7 in person, Yantimi. A Daniba court, every Samba Casio cause a Branton and here. So it became impractically impossible. Say, now, yeah, 2 and Amutu be an 7. They say back court no announcement. Not share says in a bit my 7.
Finally,
so we 7 substitutes. We have substitute service. Yes, and a 7. So the 20 today was the date. It's here now. I call court no. You can be a ship. The Tians and the lawyer at Traba Sampa, Sammorduah Sampa, or Bucks, a Asante regional. On your seat. You can't see why I own Yahoo Bible. Only Bible. It's only Bible there. So course is court in Tinasem. Now on Tinio Cano. But on it's important we appreciate and acknowledge the intelligence of the court. And I say be running for
just government so I'll say Ashanti near half and I Ashanti one.
Well, there's nothing wrong with that. Because I Asante and a half as I say. Also on the safe, but I don't think that Omutu probably the king has the authority, but of course by inference, inference no. Omufi says be I Omomu Dimrao sa 2 regions no yera etimi influence mo, but Wadarma as a what me perceive can na kai etimi kan be ka say encourage, but etimi kan enti yanka it's what does it this all cassette yera influential bia Ira have no authority of the constitution. Ghana for just judge for no mutual no omobo Ghana ho bra no Ghana for no tuo muka Ira no tuo muka it is just sanity a sa assembly do mo nim bibia no kwadom ni beto no but jani to a court ni Sampa senate no and a court ni gitu moke oni hweka esan so yeba tampa say ma obekama wa asem na ma nyantu na ma hwehwem na mpa na bibisia ashe ma twa attention right yeah the court need you to say you can okay fine come back on 29th of June na hwe ni but esan say enye no kre esan say hwe mfimu ba no court na say ma court no man won kwan but before then no na yadi kan ti popoye of course e say ma wa need that form na omo friend say those so called social media bloggers no na nra na nam so say enkusiaga omo say court na enkusiaga e no kre na enkusiaga. Then say clearly, Omatisi Popo say this is the position of taking. Obi per se o massage na ego. O say mini aban panyin for akasa kwa na be ni say. Anyway, o ka so be ni say no. O ba court no, dey na be ka che court no. O ka say Nkusiaga. O say o so nje save.
Don't just say Nkusiaga.
Enti why enter appearance? Why dey atum say court no? Asem na da na no court no tumi so tumi kan. Ba o so nje den. But me wa ka che nko bi say Nkusiaga ne dey o kan difference o. Enti sa o kika nsem bebre no. E say e twa mo adwinsi so. Na mo bro mo ase. Na o ka say Nkusiaga nya no kre. E san say Sammorduah ba court no o say onye safe e wo hanom. Me ni aka che mo. Ka che mo sa na ko e.
Enye pe say o ka che o jita voice Nkusiaga. But o ba court o say o there be unye safe or Ashanti the nice half regency you free regency be no fan cover
ye free a half na ye free Ashanti na de ko bono
en case
na de ko se ma wia microphone here na o ma charge me and indeed there's a primary facie case Sampa have been charged of stealing and all the materials ingredients have been established that I'm a thief na o wa je atuma ye de ko na Dormaahene particular the law will still deal with you. And so, how long will you continue to mislead people on the way? And the amount for air co winning omu ye die omu koso amanfo ko awiem sua science me koso ama ye die omu dia I'm not thinking about that and they be that back and forth ni nsemo ehia na mo so sechi na sebi nsem fata. We must be serious in this country and we must be disciplined. And the politicians in this country, whether MPP or DC, they must be disciplined and make sure say sebi Ghana mraba ejuma. I just say to abamo mo MPP ni NDC na mo akwanya omo mo tumi na sebi amayofo no mo dada mabru no omo akaka benchen bi. They can't keep on doing that. What we are saying is we must be disciplined in this country. You're not calling for anything. Oviate now timo sebi we MP we why and now I friend saying the president. I have no problem with that. But what we are saying is say let the law work and don't think say you can manipulate me with the law.
What do you think say some would look at and go for the media and say do you think say or you feel was your baby and I say nipa be share but some your mind.
Of course, but you should be smart to understand some of these things. Why not smart now visa say be and there are people in government who are supporting this cause. But I have no problem with that. There's nothing wrong with that. But don't call me supporting your but you can manipulate that's the thing. Of course we are MP we DC we one bit me manipulating but it's Samrano. The law is the law. But and now you call court. Can say this is their prayer. In Bible we no two courts and they are happy. Of course if you smart one they are happy. Once you are happy, you come back again to the court. Now cause the case say don't run away. Don't run away. Don't be indisciplined and run away and start insulting. Now the man for attempts here and now we are diska. Yeah by almost you much letter. Sampa Sammorduah say na tie ontimi ma editum e da court na se e ma e ka che court anyway kan ye be san ba the court na kan e be di akire ye ba na afi ye be san ka asem no don't run away and go and hide and throw shade and go dintro. The law is one and the high court near ba ko pe high court e osunya no e no bi na okumase e no bi na otamale e no bi na wa bebia but e san say bi e bia utu kwan fi tamale and I be a friend say Kalu na wa sembo I Tamale High Court. Me wa ofi Kalu na anafi I Nandoli. Na ba Kalu na ba wa. Ti se obedu wa adentina se bi embeti court no bi onum. But in je abeti court no bi onum che High Court no different. The same High Court. Ti se also wa be hre say enko bebi furo kwa na the same High Court. Shin be sisa. Ensisa. Itum Ujituma afi ye kan wi a enko din problem ya bre ho ase ya je atum anamutu a otunya no ye se be bre ho ase ye ka asem na also bre ho ase na ditu asem na si hwibia na obesisa aban bi se akire na otawa chikwa enkosi se waso tete na waso wo fom a asem na si asem na si
yes
no si ase hwine wa na betumi ase I am telling them me ka jom say friends the National Democratic Congress chairman oya asedun ketia se bi office ekwa Sekwa akonya Asantehene ase ontimi mo omo interior minister entimi mo omo se yesa to aba na aba foforo ba entimi mo omo yesa to aba biem na aba bia emmo omo bibia na obetimi asesa de aba a otiso no ebetimi abo anso obedi ntro se meyese ma ba ko siaga enko siaga ba na joda so no ye wa manfo ko bu nkotodwe ekopa acho de bia kotokohene sebi enyen semina na eka ena se bi unimdi na wani afia nya nhye mia na eka ezi kotokohene yesi asem na si ka che timamfo no se adan asi bibia na obetimi asesa
since 29 no course afu no course obeti asia na so won ti asia na de
na can contempt in the channel. Okay. So by his grace media, Eldia. By Wadamra, by grace media. Wadamra, Eldia, me meant to be sorry for Sampa. Me no Casa Yam for Sampa. Okay. Meant to be for trans by his grace media. Me could be on my media. A banishana. Who did me call quarter? The sanity. Own nam. Samorduah. Sana, no affront to ma. No, I can see okay. Na Prejama Chiano, na Mutaka Chiano, na original minister Chiano. No, it's not enjoy of my hen. Not of my institution, it's no enjoy my hen. It is happy as we know. They are called down court bad time. Say, we know any. It's only one. We know they are called down court. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh yeah, now one yet. Oh yeah, I dance your soul. A sanity. And at the end, you know, one okura. Only now, so it's only now, so it's all front to ma. Okay. I can be some extra home, extra to me. Say, I'm pa, to me, only to me. But I say, Sebi, and Rania Juma, Now, man, for business, they can manipulate the law. They can manipulate the law, but they cannot manipulate us. To let someone that a very smart guy, very intelligent guy, and for that matter, Oka say, "Oh, the faha." To let someone that flash before I can't no crash. Say, "This is the way we have to go." Ti anamutu, ye kasaya, ye bibia, ye kabiano, or no, and I can say netie. Ti ne can say you can manipulate the law, but you are not going to win. You lose. Member of Parliament or Tarnish Godfather Inqua, German of MP no.
So be only evidence be.
Oh, I'm not a legend. I'm humble to say so. You see, it's important. We are human beings, and we must show humanity. I'm asking the member of Parliament, say the manner and the way Nana provision are said be me or me Nana. The manner and the way are the boy no omukunu broad daylight.
I go fix no.
Ni Nana.
No, member
omukunu no. Has the member of Parliament who have been no aka assembly afa ho ana. Yenya to abama we MP.
Banese na branch no omukunu because one you say oba na jafa training no.
Esanete. They kill him. They didn't do anything. Why they attack him and they brutally. The ferocity omodi kum no time. And then the man here now say he was butchered in front of the police station. Sampa police station. Sampa police commander now on. He was aware of him. You don't come on. I'm telling you, and that is why. Right there. No daylight. Ni papa see on to Angr or to Abreno, and then he was attacked. Attacking we are NDC. The former constituency chairman, as a Zongo Caucus, no, I didn't name Chroniso, say on Naba and also the anti-mention. Here I say, I'm raining castle.
But I branch no, or your friend can't, Omuku, the best.
I'm there, I shave it to Anka,
2 weeks about
no, you have 1 week. You have like, let's say 14 days.
14 days, okay. Well, the Martin say, there's a 2 weeks. The Martin say, what a any fees you know, so dear. 27
no, Hanum.
That's what about
Wadaruma, or no, Hanum. No, Hanum.
It's Bonia, why you people cook.
Of course, they said they know he's an interest. Sebi, or Obia awesome Asanteman.
Okay.
And he Sebi say, yeah, Timmy fan me. I said the Ben Obia a show, a beoya. And now Omutu question so 80 channel pine. What I say?
So what I said in the hospital.
Oh, he died there. He died right in there. I say Brahma Musi count the friends and the oh come on, I'm not saying allegedly. Brahma Musi count a branch friend no Obama will count. Of Charles is my good friend. He's part of it. I'm saying they should call us.
Okay.
In friend.
So are you distancing by Grace TV from it?
Of course you can. I'm distancing. I'm saying national security should call us. Okay. Interior ministry should call us. Okay. And the government. Of course, I'm not scared about anybody. It's important. Of course. Now you need to Chomoka.
And they said the AI taxi.
We voted for you, and you became the president. And the president appointed you a regional minister, and appointed you a DC, and now fuel. The baby, okay, you want to run me down, you want to attack me? Come on.
Yes, sir.
I am saying, sir. Yes, sir. You beat me at here. They have not arrested any single soul, and that is why I'm disappointed in the government.
But the DC, the MP, the regional minister,
oh, now you see, they have run us down time and again. If you want to see Nano, there had not been any single directive from government.
No, unacceptable.
I'm ashamed no more. Anything I say, I'm reading Castle and Asantehene bit me at home.
Wow.
Asantehene bit me your mind. We are calling on the government to be disciplined. We are calling on the government, say, they are from Omunchino. Seven am from Omunchime. Saying I'm from Omunchime. But I'm saying, say, I am telling President Mama know better. And President Mama said, he knows very well, say, he cannot more run away from the fact. President Mama know the truth. And I know President Mama know the truth. Okay. And President Mama must to call his people to order. For regional minister to order, the interior minister to order. All right, and all those who matter.
The regional minister, what kind of? I mean, the German enough for Sampa, yeah, district captain. You are buying them, see the bank catch, but that's the
if you call the president, the local government minister to order, this is not your wine.
That's what I'm saying.
And so clearly, so authority,
subordinate.
Exactly. If you call the president Ahmed of course, but because of course he's not a truthful guy.
That's what you on care.
I'm taking on saying no for. And so what? And so what? You are a sector minister. And you are a sector minister. It is already a sector minister.
Again, what can found? What make be an chamo for chop bia.
Or 5 at Obia, near can say, Daruma. Ye can't say Ahmed Ibrahim share or your local government, Mr. Honorable. Ye boom dia, Ahombrashim, Nedika at all time, we show them respect.
Okay.
And at the end of the moment, ye can't say the Minister of Local Government, they say, San Samuel or Sampa, or Tuanamutu, and now about Sampa, Abeka, say, and I say, oh, say, I'm telling me, many I share a friend at the seat of government. Okay. I have been to the seat of government, the Flaster House, I've met him there. Michana, Mikacha, Michano, Honorable Mark Bamba, Mikama Bamba, is I Sampa Casa, Mark Bamba, Mafafa. How are you? I greet him in my language every day. And so I know him, he know. Say you need to let some Majafla. We have been to the seat of government. He cannot know so him will be some Majafla. But of course, or your politics, and he think he can be smart. You're smart. Nyamia dom, nyami no mubro hu, and our MP. It doesn't mean you are the most intelligent person. Say nyamia hu mobo now be MP, now be minister. Di no kre, to anamutu no kre. Na da chin ubitimi akọ wanim. Why you say obetu ani? I see Asantehene so is not going to win, and you are not going to win. And that is why I'm calling the member of parliament, Ahmed or Kaon, and the member of parliament in German North, who are following the whole process. So what we are saying here,
take sides.
Oh, of course. But I'm saying that he's not going to be MP forever. And one day he will be voted out. He will be voted out. Once they vote you out, you come back to your senses, and you come to realize and then Tama. This is a time to rescue yourself. Medino Kre, Amatimamufon. The rest say, oh, yeah, there. One day you are not going to be there anymore. And once you are not going to be in the member of parliament, besides, what legacy are you living? Are you living a legacy of truth? Or are you living a legacy of emotions and untruth? Live a legacy of truth and don't live a legacy of emotions. The can say to let Jafla Sampa Mahene. She knew I was son. Ghana Ranaka. Amani amamre yaka we there. Let the people know who you MP, who did no cre, who you DC, who did no cre, regional minister, did no cre. But what you musica be brave, regional minister, what you musica be brave.
What you want musica?
And yes, Sammorduah for.
So the dancing
the reason why you musica is no on the name or your lawyer.
Okay, no, back
it is your only your lawyer now. It's legal if you want or any pabonini. I'll explain.
Okay.
The reason why any pabonini say. The reason why any pabonini say. Look, you see, Sebi, Abedipele only Bob was in Bebre. It is Abedipele, many Abedipele, but Janam Abedipele coach. I say, Tia Abedipele, I know more than me.
Our
experience. Who are minister? Who are friends, a lawyer name. And now Nimra. And now when you go to the Supreme Court, there are a series of cases. You can't tell you can't assemble Asantehene Hanum. Now the copy be any year.
And you know, grounded in culture, customs, tradition,
and law. And you know the ADR law, the alternative dispute resolution mechanism, is part of the laws of this country. And you know, say about arbitration is binding on you. Say binding there. I didn't know for Kobe bad no be assembled to when you know the ADR law and you know the position of the Asante authority in terms of the Supreme Court cases. I didn't know na be dad o maji o musika se be boamo e ban sha no kwafo, and that's why I'm saying say o cromfo no I'm saying I have no problem. It's getting to the point in time, and I say with humility that he's a criminal guy. There is no, I'm coming. I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm saying, let me explain. I'm sorry. I'm saying he's a criminal guy. The reason why he's a criminal guy. No, I'm not going to. The reason why I cannot retract is the fact say only no criminal Ghana for. Once what my Ghana for, I am bold you. The boy they think. No. It has getting to a point in time that we have to call him out. Because Odinipa don't
maybe understand you, but so, can you beg you for the sake of my platform?
No, your platform says he's a criminal guy. The reason I'm saying he's a criminal guy is no for Sampa. But Obiaba Contempt Kese or time Kese no Akano. And now you can revoke the in time Kese. Nani Pani de Wasmaba, no one to Tunufu, no one to this KD, no one could lose you. Now, you political position that will influence the decision. You're a criminal person. I say so with humility. I say so.
So did you sit by Grace TV from?
Very well. With a greater respect, that's what I'm going to do.
But you're honest. I accept that.
So honest and criminality is the same thing. That's your choice.
Okay.
That's your choice. But honest and criminality is the same thing. But you want to refine it. Refine by saying honesty. And yes, what I say. But you want to refine it by a criminal guy. By the same way, he was not an honest guy. He was not an honest guy.
For the criminal work, can you dissociate?
I'm not going to do that. The reason I'm not going to do that, what that the one you fraud. Air fraud.
So the lawyer there.
No, air fraud.
And
so that is why we have the code of conduct and the code of ethics. Who a lawyer ni now who could dear someone besides him no who no creum. Now no, assembly the Senate, but said we no creum. Of course, I do music and another Dormaahene Besewachi and a Buga. That's why he's a criminal. And that's why I'm saying so. I'm not saying so. Anytime they call you, I'm ever prepared to defend myself.
Okay, so you succeed by grace to be
Of course. I say so with humility.
This year, no, I am here tomorrow. Court. Eddie, court be the assembly.
Yes.
And I call the assembly. Yeah, they are assembly say 50 years.
Obedi for.
The assembly my team.
Obedi for.
And see, what is your message?
The message na can
is a court for one
the message na can
but it's also influence.
The message na can we want to tell the politicians, we want to tell the Ghanaian people that we are in a country that we have to show leadership.
Exactly.
The young ones,
only say being show leadership.
Of course, and Ghana, the young ones are becoming frustrated. Sebi Emabuno Dani Danano, Omubo Abain way, Abain A, Abain B. We are calling on the political class, the political class, MPP, NDCC, PP, whichever political party to be disciplined. They must be disciplined in this country and must show leadership. And when they show leadership, no credit, they should not think say they can use your political authority to influence certain decision. Yeah, but amani ni amamra obi otumi. Uye amanyoni atiase. Say yira e otumi. Na yira say otumi a ni tumi etre koduru bebi bebre. Kan ukoyo policies na ka cheje asase we yira dia. Ti say e ba amanyosem na ntiase a e ba hinsem na ntiase ko yira fie. Ba ye de amanyofo. Ba enye amanyoni enye waju say otumi. Na afie ukoye campaign. Na ko kika nsem na afie e ba ontimi nye. They can say Sampa nsem na si. To let some other friend Sampa Mahene. Obeko so Sampa Mahene. Ene adichie. She I original minister beji atumo, Saba beji atumo, onyin tumo, say Sampa for beji atumo, omunyin tumo. To let some other friend Sampa Mahene. Esan say we are manya ni amamre. I okuman ma eni ajitum. And that me no ka say. Enya ade a say obi ntimi fi Asanteman enkosi mio lana. Ye kan mio ewo I dagbon northern region and asavlumu shebi miofa menana yagbon ra onu no otumi a osi mio lana and asavlugu lana sanso na era otumi a osi Sampa Mahene
to be timi fi be me sisa
ense aban nim shebi era president ofi oyegonya ni yagbon ra what dey say shebi bupe obi o hina obupe yagbon ra na betimi asi bupe hine Yura Asanteman and Asanteman and Sebi, but Ohin intimacy Bupera. The sanity idea, there must be that differentiation never any dear Emma. Nothing did to one, not a home Brasiaba. Not Sebi, we are politician now, you are my someone who's no, okay, but then Koya won't say, oh, to me better now. David, I would want to be only out to me. And yes, best share. Timon for in tomb, not Sampa mining to let some of that financial, you be no bit to Yasa. Yama Quine, or be a torn cocoa. Obi oton salad, obi oton a friend say I bare, obi in the store. Na onko so na oni na adwuma, na onye bi, na sebi onko nanim. Saa na ye dwen. And to let some of the flash so ba, sebi oni aban be kan bom. Na nhihye ya de be ye ato honom na mabum no matina kom anim no madie na sebi ye opese wo ye no. Wanya ho ye e wo mbra mu, e wo nyansa mu. To let some of the flash be sa ne manyina. Ti de kan say Ajumanesi, to let some of the flanes and Mahene, and now court to say 29th of Omba, Omecha, the inter member. By a Besse, Timam for it to say, in some more bano, you'll be catch your court, you won't come up on the Bobra. Okay, Sa Hona, I can't check court, and Kushi, Casa, or part of Yankana, or Daruma. It is over the catch of you, and Kushi, Sanity or Daruma. Yeah, I mentioned almost but we are calling on government. Say we are calling for justice. Say justice now calling for no. That's why I'm actually say regional friends and regional minister no. Assembly no. She's here. Say we been see or the other side that regional minister no first soldier for. I military commander now I Asante regional no. I will double our friend no. Then they come and invade us.
Wow.
Omekun.
The military commander.
All right. The other day I called. Yes. Yeah, he's a coward. Wow. Of course. Sebi. Ghana for na etua muka. Yeah, na DSK etua muka. Enti yema won say uniform. En say sebi we soldier ni. We soldier ni na say uniform na. when I see you, I'm going to salute you. I'm going to respect you. That indeed you are an authority. But that doesn't mean to me, and now it's not going to happen. All right. The air can say, see, no, original minister, and then I can't carry. I member of parliament in Carry, DC in Carry.
Wow.
There's this guy, they call him Eric J. The French guy, Eric J. You know, sometimes he keep on. If you want to be an MP, you can be MP. Nobody. He's been in discipline. He's been in discipline. Before the election, he was out there crying out there. Or government mo. Okay. So vision your course was Sampa no sebi. Sebi. Yeah, misbehave. Okay. We expect him to tell the government that the government should come after us.
Eric J blaming
of course.
So why they?
No, come on. No, of course. I'm saying. I say show respect. I'm saying show respect. He has been on AKF before. Of course, and he has made certain utterances. Okay. Yeah, can say we have no problem with him. Okay. So, but sure, member of parliament have no problem with him, and nobody have any problem with him. Okay. But he's not crossed the line. Okay. By trying to think, say, should be in there. He's saying to now, when you dress, now say be it's not going to work. He's a lawyer. And what we are saying, say, as some never can or Hano, say legally, the Asantehene has no authority. Eric J. Ufisuma in a lawyer. Don't sit on social media and misbehave. I respect him. I respect him, but if he cross the line, we are going to come after him. No, I'm saying we are going to come after him. I'm saying. I have no idea. I'm saying, of course, I'm saying. If I'm saying I'm going to come after him, I'm a reasonable person. I'm saying I'm going to come after him. With ideas. Of course, I'm saying. You see, I've nothing against you. So, I'm a member of parliament. Now, so I'm no problem. But about him, Mamra. But no credit, no credit. What I only influence we are. Let tell Summahene say only to me. Nisaka Bensem no Eric J. Ufisuma. Tell Nana Summahene say only to me. That today you think Nana Summahene and Dormaahene beat me propaganda. You can win election, but for how long can you continue to do that propaganda? Be disciplined as a young boy and ask for the truth and pursue the truth, and the truth will set you free. And that is the only way you can see the grace of the Lord Almighty God. And at all times, all of us must have our faith that indeed God will be on our side, and the Lord Almighty God will see us through. If Eric J, you believe that the Lord Almighty God will see us through, and not to let Sammorduah, he also has equally believed that the Lord Almighty God will see him through. By the name of the Lord Almighty God, to let Sammorduah will be vindicated, and everybody will come to the realization, say, and throw and say, be a time, and I'm an abedusha, to let Sammorduah dim kunim. Minya, I say.
Okay, I was going to say that yes, I am so no one, but I said to be I am yes, be a inquisition, that be caught on cancer. A branch here, somebody that's our dime course or circuit. Oh, yes, say Ashanti region, half a region. It got a new free uncle. Yeah, or one time for outside Ashanti or half a region. TDH, I may have no brain dry. The
pictures now, no teacher, no, or no one can be or him. They are better court in a church. Exhibit in a church, contempt national. Or Jahine said they are about for a day. They are better court. It's here a muchina, a woman washing. Now, in engine to Nentra Ganas, no watching you, what Dharma. And as I say, Professor Kosia was Asantehene. Simple. I'm my phone or move find the DMI. As you any demand.
I was at you could answer a question in a pema. Get them someone to break. Now, Moshe, one cost one and says, you probably, the best one. Kai say, you don't feel, oh, actually, I have 10 minutes drive from so far. What did you want to feel the equivalent from one number?
Bye. Your perfume near my degree on my own issue. Nani, any woman say, perfume's neighbor show her. So, when you be a whole tester, and away a showcase so I can't test her nature, saying, yes, I don't know about Batono, wouldn't the way I see now, packaging bow shake the way amber glue, real so shake Yamaonia, now she and us will need your home. Now, I take your near money, dear.